is Lance, the best player, and today I will be reviewing my yo-yo. You can see it on the screen there. So today in this video, you're gonna watch me play this yo-yo. And just okay, here it goes, and boom. Oh wait, sorry guys, messed up. If you know how to do yo-yo tricks, go to Guava Juice, and that's a YouTube channel, not Juice. Okay, so guys, I'm not really that good on yo-yos, but I'll be back when I'm ready. Hey guys, I am back and I'm gonna do it. Oh, did you see that Prankster Gangster moves? Well, since I did it now, I gotta do it again. So guys, that's pretty much all to show in my review. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want more vlogs and more Roblox. It's your choice. Also Minecraft. Have a good day. Wait, I forgot. This video was so short. I'm so sorry.